Hi guys, 11:08 PM na, iwaw feng shui na. Brethren, family and friends, sa pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat, ang inyo pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyo pong feng shui pachi, chimen, yijing, and date selection consultant. Kumusta po kayo? How was your week? Tomorrow, Thursday, konti na lang, no po? Weekend na naman. Well, at least po, we do it correctly, with the right way, winning colors po, and of course, we get what we want. And I'm really very happy and congratulations to my client po sa iyo pong bago pong LC Prado, no po? Ang ganda po, kulay puti. And I was given the chance na makasakay. See it with my own two eyes. Malaki rin po pala yung Land Cruiser Prado. Malapad po siya, yes. Difference po sa LC200, mga siguro both sides po, less than 3 inches po. Malaki rin po, malaki rin. And I'm happy to see it on my own eyes po. Land Cruiser Prado. Congratulations po. Yes, to my client po earlier for your new Land Cruiser Prado. Wow. Thank you po. Thank you po. Okay. Now, BFF. Sino natin? Thursday, February 6. Sabi dito, the fire horse enters the stable. Excellent day. Wow. Pag ganito po pala, ang ganda po, assuming a new post, commencing new business, debt collection, disengage or dissolve an arrangement, financial activities, investment is very good. Groundbreaking, getting married, meeting friends, networking, moving house, prayers and worshiping, putting up roof beams, renovation, signing contracts and agreement, trading, traveling, all are very suitable except for seeking medical treatment. Ayan po, as wala, not recommended tomorrow to seek medical treatment. In the animal sign, BFF, rat is not so good, ox is average, tiger is best, rabbit is average, dragon is not good, average ang snake, best ang horse and goat, not so good ang monkey, average ang rooster, best ang dog, and average ang pig. Wow, there you have it. Okay, daily chimen. Yan. Para pray, manifest, and wish. Kuya Norman, may stars pa ba? Wala pa pong sinasabi. Opo, so next year na po yun. Yung welcoming the God of Wealth na was being done every Chinese New Year, next year na po. Okay. Now, let us see the daily chimen. Silipin po natin. Okay. It says here. Ayan. February 6. Sabi po dito, ang ganda po dito. There's a jade maiden watching the door for likability and control. Buong araw po, now until 10:59 the next day, jade maiden watching the door, talikod po sa southeast. Aba, yung daily jade maiden, may kasama rin pong soul fame, diplomatic energy, and magic energy. Ang ganda po nito, talikod sa southeast. And then, yung game changer po, with the green dragon, with the flying bird fall into cave, with the absolute power, absolute support, Empyrean force, and conqueror energy po. And also for the opportunity, game changer na with all of this. Gagamitin ko to, BFF, talikod sa southwest. And for benevolent energy, and for finding anything to do with finances and wisdom and getting a great medical practitioner. Kahit tomorrow, hindi advisable lang seeking medical treatment. Kung dito ka maiiwasan, BFF, talikod ka naman sa northwest. Wow, ito pa lang po, BFF. Ang ganda na. And then, health is wealth, talikod ka naman po sa west. Ako po, gagamitin ko po, imagine, nagkasama po ang Green Dragon, Flying Bird, Absolute Power, Absolute Support, Empyrean Force, and then Conqueror, and then Open Door, Opportunities, and yung pong Chief Deity po. Hi, Ma'am Nenita. Magandang gabi po. All in one box Southwest. Ay, ito pa lang po. Boundary na. Ito pa lang po, ganda na. Tapos po, ang constellation niya, stomach. Tingnan nga natin. Stomach po is good for celebration. Kasi na stomach po eh. Good food, auspicious, abundance, 6 stars, uy, gagamitin ko to, BFF. O pwede na po ngayon, after po nito, mag-practice na tayo. 5 things ha, open up, let go, open up, give thanks, ask for what you want, and give it back to society. Meaning now until February 11, you have to choose a day, magbigay po, donate, donate, donate. Yan na po. Church, charity, family members, colleague, any person po, galing sa puso, mag-donate. Very important. Yun lang po February 4 to 11. Kahit po ikaw number 1, nakakalimot ka po, down. Even your goat and ox, nasa ilalim, nag-donate, go up, go up. Goes up, according to Grandmaster Tan Kong Yong of Singapore. Don't you forget. So ito BFF, gamitin natin. Ganda ng Southwest po. Wow. Bihira po ito, bihira. Tapos ano pa siya, 6 stars pa po. Ang lakas po ng kanyang potency po, no? Para sa Wi-Fi signal, ganda niya. Almost perfect yung signal. So gamitin po natin, Alam niyo po, every time my client would ask me, Norman, how do you define success? Na po, how do you define success in your 21 years of doing feng shui? Alam niyo po, one way to tell po sa inyo is that pag ako po ay nag-feng shui, pare-pares po. I mean, in whatever level or what place po kayo sa society, my feng shui is always the same. Wala po siyang kinikilingan. It's always equal. Pantay-pantay po. On the level po lahat yan. No? Wala pong mas maganda dapat ito kasi ganon. Mas sikat ito dapat ganon. Artista to or politician dapat mas hindi po. Pantay-pantay po yung feng shui ko dyan. Po, if I'll be spending to you sa 1 to 2 hours, same thing po. Same thing. Pare-parehas po. And how do I define success? It will always be the success of my clients po. Family and friends. BFF na po. And seeing my client, bought a Land Cruiser Prado, wow, di po ba? Or in my other clients na nag-grow ng business nila from this much, now something big. Woo! Di po ba? That's something. That will, sa akin, yung po yung success. No po? Not my personal success, but your success, their success po. That's the most important. Again, BFF, I won't anymore burden you with the daily achievement. Hi, Ma'am Jenaline. Thanks for watching. But, ito na po. Southwest backing tayo. Basta po, let go of the past, let go bad people, let go bad circumstances, open up for new opportunities, open up for new person to come into your life, helpful people, magpasalamat sa Panginoong Diyos, and then you ask for what you want, pwedeng pelikula, start, middle, finish, and then mag-donate, mag-donate, mag-donate. Yan po ang ay kalima. Don't you forget, February 6 na bukas. Oh. So meron ka lang ilang araw. Baka makalimutan mo pa. Mag-donate ka tomorrow or Sunday, February 9. Oh, yun siguradong shoot na yan. O baka naman sa February 9, malimutan mo pa. And kanina nga po, apologies, I was not able to make it po sa NGO TV. No, kanina po yun eh. But because po of my not able po to drive properly because of my right foot po, nakakain po tayo ng something na nakakakos po ng gout, hindi po tayo nakapunta po sa studio. So po, nagpaalam po kay Kuya Ricky. And Kuya Ricky, thank you so much. And may apologies, hindi ako nakarating kanina. Nagpapagaling pa tayo. But now, I will keep in mind na kahit ganun pong kasarap yung soup, kahit po mamahalin, basta po hindi ka sigurado, huwag kakainin. Lessons learned po, yung po rin sa akin, po, kasi may mga food po na tayo po ay medyo dapat iniwasan na. At this age po, dapat iwasan. Again, BFF, I like to thank you for the bottom of my heart sa ating pong pagsasama. Now, like and share, and then if you have friends, family members na want to do feng shui, you can, sana po ma-consider nyo po kami, me and my son, doing the feng shui. And I'm also happy for my son who's doing well as a feng shui consultant. Yun po, kung hindi man po ako, he will be the one to address it. He will be the one to go to your referrals. So po, please like and share lang po, and please kung may mga referrals po, we are here po. You can just message us. Again, BFF, let us continuously pray for each other. We will never know if some of us here is the yin side of life. Let us continuously pray for our leaders. Let us pray for world peace. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all with a grateful heart. Maraming po salamat sa inyo lahat. God bless, good night, and see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye. Happy Thursday po.